Etiquette of knocking on the door. One day, Imam Ahmad was sitting in his house. Suddenly, there was a very loud knock at the door. Imam Ahmad quickly came out of his room and said, "Has the police come to the house?" It turned out that it was not the police, but a woman who had come to ask him a question about a ruling, masala. A sudden loud sound can frighten people. It feels as though thieves or police have arrived at the house. That is why one should not knock loudly. The companions, Sahaba, used to knock gently. At the door of the Prophet ﷺ, they would tap lightly with their nails. They did not call out his name from outside. You should do the same. When you go to someone's house, first tap lightly on the door. If someone is nearby, that sound is enough. And if you realize no one is near the door, then you may knock or press the calling bell. But do not strike the door with the palm of your hand. Remember, whenever gentleness is present in something, it makes it beautiful, said the Prophet ﷺ. Knock 3 times in this way. After each knock, wait for a while. Perhaps the people inside are eating, performing ablution, taking a bath, or offering salah. So wait long enough for a person to complete 4 rakas of salah. If after knocking 3 times, there is still no response, do not knock again. Simply leave. The Prophet ﷺ said, "If permission is not granted after asking 3 times, then return." This discussion is based on hadith number 3706 from Ibn Majah.